Morning, everybody. Man, what a windy morning. Overcast. Not too cold though. It's about 35 or so. Maybe freezing. I don't know. Lots of clouds. Sorry if you can't hear me because of the wind. It's nice to get out and walk again. Kind of missed this while I was on my trip. Same to you. Definitely ready for springtime to come. Waiting to come out here and hear some turkeys gobbling back there. Supposed to be pretty nice today. Let's get up to the 50s. Hopefully the wind dies down so I don't get chilly. Getting to the point where I'm going to have to get some more propane. I don't want to have to do that. Stuff's pretty expensive this time of year. Anyway, have a good day, everybody.